Yo, Tyreke, what you up to?
I'm just out here using your card to buy 2 little kicks.
Tyreke, I can't believe you're running up my credit card again.
Babes, relax yourself now. I just 2 pair of crepe my grab. Dave pocket deep, him can't feel nothing. Stop going like you no love how my step fresh.
Cho, your love live pon the man's sweat? One day my husband I go catch you.
Babes, Dave blind. Him they work late every night like one donkey. While me a bit road in a designer. Know your place, man.
Tyreke, may I have to tell you something? Me pregnant.
Pregnant? Get alone with your bag of foolery. Don't tell me no foolishness. And I'm not depend that.
Tyreke, me serious.
I know I yet. Fix your problem with Dave. I'm busy.
This girl Keisha, she never pick up her phone. Married life.
The person you've called cannot answer the phone right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey baby, hope you're doing okay. I just dip on way to meet up with my co-workers Lisa and Gary at the gym. Long day, but I'm looking forward to clear my head. Alright, I'll check you later. Love you.
Yo, Candy, me see your missed call. I wanted to call you back. Yo, Keisha, I can't believe the tips me get last night, girl. Me just cash out with some real top clients, real big tippers. That's great, babe. Look, we're gonna link you in 2 hours. Me not taking off your answer.
Boss in the boardroom, boss in the dance. Wine to the rhythm, but she still advance. Work, keep for the money. Paycheck sweet like sugar and honey. Stepping at the club, girl run the place funny. She a girl boss, turning hustle to money. High heels clicking on the pavement hard. Credit score high, bodyguard for the yard. Vision too sharp, she a lion no fraud. Every move she make it a money reward. Stack it.
Candy, me want hear the real mix up, man. When the politician there with you, why him really do you can't just say him therapy? Girl, me need the bedroom details. Keisha, you're too enough. The man love role play. Him come with him suit and tie and then beg me for call him Prime Minister Daddy. Me swear me nearly dead with laugh first time. But him pay me 20 grand US just for one night. So me shut my mouth and play my part. And you know that just the starting fee. Lord God, Daddy politician, Candy, you're wicked. In the pan TV a cuss about budget. And you're the pan him back a right off him stamina. You mash up my head. Babes, are the truth. Him love when me whisper policy to him. Me say, yes minister, me approve this motion while me dep on top. And the man ball like me vote pass in a parliament. Stop it, Candy. My belly a bun me. Anyways, girl, you still messing around with Dave's cousin? Cousin? Oh, you mean Mad Dawg?
Oh, sorry for mash up your vibes, dog.
Tommy, ease yourself for the moment. Me have to handle something, but me have to handle you later.
Make sure you keep that same energy later, Mad Dawg.
Come my days. Straight to big man. Them two they do like one. Tyreke. Why you have a move, sir? Why, Ricky? Why?
Yeah, dog, you good? Good. Me bless me charge, me just handle business and pleasure one time. But what up with you? Me know you long and me don't like that look on your face, me G.
Dog, me never want to bring this to your butt, me have you. Me spot Ricky last night, in Depan corner, laugh up, the Razor crew man them, watching their own 2 eye.
You sure of what you see? I trick you. Ricky me soldier, chat to put it up slide them as brethren.
Dog, me swear upon my life. Him now just pass through. He must smile, I clap on with them, even bun split for the enemy them, to ras.
Me not take kindly to rat. Rat spread disease. Rat sell out the whole yard for crumbs. One rat, whole heap of mess. Call 2 shutter. Make them drag Ricky out in bed. Time pan the same corner where I'm laugh with my enemy. And gunshot dig. Left him body for Razor crew for fine. Make them know some Mad Dawg not pet no traitor. Don't you two go way back? Spike, my name not ever mix with betrayal. If you see this again, no matter who it is, no bother report. Just line them up same way, loyalty are dead. That are the law.
And dog, since Minister Jack take office, the port change, Wang and him link them get clear priority, him shipments pass smooth. We don't get stall, search and enough of them seas, but the minister pocket full.
So the minister think you can sidestep, dog, give priority to Wang and make me look small.
Eyes red like the fire where you blaze. Bulletproof soul, me pants for bad ways. Real top shot, and me not trace, me not chat. When me bust one shot, one steam for luck. Money in a duffel, power in a hand. Me write me one law, me one command. Enemies pray but me rise them fear. When me step on stage, danger appear. Me laugh when them whisper, me hear when them plot. Me move silent, me strike when it's hot. Gun smoke linger, the night get tense. Every step me step, have a deadly sense.